Hello, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright Team, Keller Williams Realty St. George. And today I'm at a brand spanking new home here in Washington Fields in Washington, Utah. It's in a little cul-de-sac and it's on the corner. This home is 2,301 square feet, all on one level, 4-bed, 2.5 bath. And it has the attached 2-car side loader garage and then the 50-foot deep RV garage that has a 12-foot wide by 14-foot tall door. And it's 50 feet on the inside. We'll go in and check it out. You can see it has the rain gutters that are tied into the drainage system. Being on a corner lot, it's elevated. It has a mixture of grass and then concrete. Sits here in southern Utah. We've got a new Red Cliffs temple over here. You can sit out here and enjoy the views. It's kind of a little bit of a rainy day today. All right, coming in the entryway, you have a taller ceiling here with a couple chandeliers. And then off to the right, you have an office area with the taller ceilings and the ceiling fans, and then it has a sliding glass door that takes you out to that front kind of courtyard, open courtyard area that takes advantage of some of the views in the neighborhood. And the layout's a split floor plan, so the bedrooms are down, the spare bedrooms are down this little hallway here. Here's the guest bathroom with the quartz countertops, stained grade cabinets, LVP flooring, 12 by 24 tile. It has the Schluter around there. It has a deco insert there for your shampoo and all that good stuff. There's a little linen closet behind the door here in the spare bathroom. Across from the bathroom, there's 2 more bedrooms with carpet on the floor, 8 feet tall doors, ceiling fans, a couple windows. This one has some peekaboo views as well. And it has the walk-in closet. And then next to that bedroom is another bedroom. Once again with the ceiling fan, the windows. Being a corner elevated lot, you can kind of see over the top of these other rooftops nearby. It too has a little walk-in closet. And then right off of those 2 bedrooms is the laundry room. Has plenty of cabinets, the quartz countertops, the recessed dryer vent. It does have the opportunity to go natural gas or electric. And then that doorway there, I'll show you in a minute, but it's kind of cool. It goes into the primary suite closet area so that you can come right into the laundry room from the primary suite closet. All right, and then coming into the great room, it's a big open great room, has a huge quartz countertop island with the sink in the middle there, has a big backsplash, all their cabinets with the stained grade, has the drop-in cooktop over here, tons of drawers. You'll notice they're not the cabinets with the doors, they're all drawers basically. And then it has the little electric fireplace there, the coffered ceiling, the nice dining nook area, the big windows that kind of look out to the views. We'll show you a little bit more when we go on the backyard. And then it has the wall oven and microwave here. And then kind of a little prep area back in here, and the pantry. And the pantry continues. Nice big pantry area here. Here's another angle of the kitchen. Great room. Has the pendant lights. So all the homes behind are already built, so those views of the mountaintops there you'll maintain. Nice covered patio, plenty of room in the backyard for a pool. We'll take a quick look here in a minute. And then the primary bedroom is in its own little hallway. It too has great views of the mountains to the south. Large windows, 9-foot tall ceilings, 8-foot tall doors. And then into the primary suite bathroom, you have the double vanity, the mirrors that light up. You can change the kind of look if you want the warmer tone or more of the yellowy lights there. You have the walk-in tiled shower with that Carrara marble-ish look. The freestanding tub. Privacy glass window above here. And then some more built-in cabinets here into the primary closet. And then the toilet area. And then some additional walk-in closet space for hanging items. And then this door, of course, as I mentioned previously, goes into the laundry room, and I have the light off, but you can see there it accesses the laundry room. All right, coming out here onto the back patio. Here in Utah, the temples are pretty prevalent. So you got a view of the Red Cliffs Temple right there off the back patio. And then there's plenty of room back here to do a pool. You have the views of the mountaintops there. Has all the rain gutters. This is a door that goes into the back of the RV garage, which we'll show you in a minute. And then we'll take a look over here on the side so you can kind of see the side yard area as well. It's all prepped with block walls and ready for a gate. And then right here off of the garage, there's a little area to put a mud bench. And then there's a powder bath right here. That's your toilet area. And then right here you have your countertop and mirror. All right, and then we come into the 2-car garage, which is a 16-foot wide door, and it's approximately 23 feet deep here, with the windows in the front, which allows for the home to have a little more curb appeal without being a lot of garage. You have your water heater here. It's a natural gas water heater. It has the recirculation pump right there. It is plumbed for a water softener. And then you come over into the RV garage, and this baby is a nice one. It's approximately 50 feet deep, has a 12-foot wide by 14-foot tall door, has all these windows along the side, and then the door here at the back. Here's a look of the RV garage from here at the very back of this 50 feet deep RV garage. So all in all, this house is 2,301 square feet, 4-bed, 2.5 bath. It's kind of set up more like 3-bed plus an office. 2,301 square feet on a little over 1/4 of an acre on a corner lot in Washington Fields, brand spanking new, never been lived in. Asking price on this one as of February 6th, 2024 is $829,900. Once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Right Team. You can find us online at mystghome.com or rvgarageholmesforsale.com. Thanks for watching.